Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and I'm going to be using only Merit Beauty products. Super excited. They sent me like a bunch of their products and I'm super excited to try them out with you guys. So if you guys like get ready with me, then just keep on watching. I'm looking like an egg right now. So give this video a thumbs up. So this is the first product. This is the Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick and it's basically just like this kind of twist up product. Looks super nice. Look at this packaging, like stunning, and it just feels super high quality. This is what it looks like. Super good. Let's put it on. My fat pimple. Coverage of this product is actually so amazing. All right guys, this is the first product and I'm super duper impressed with it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly and come back. All right guys, just finished my brows, tied up my hair so I look more like an egg. Let's move on to the next product, which, okay, so I have an eyebrow pomade, Merit Voluminizing Pomade in the shade brown. Just gonna, you know, put it on top kind of naturally. Let's see how it is. So that's what it looks like on one brow. Let me put it on the other. That basically made my brows a little bit darker using a little bit of the Sephora contour. Really love this product. And then a little bit of MAC Single Shadow Omega on my eyelids. I'm really excited about this. This is the Beverly Hills cheek color and essentially it's just like this super cute little egg kind of blush. Let's just put it on, guys. Look at how cute. It's like a little, I think I'll just go like this. Wow. Okay. Wow. A little bit on my nose as well. Can I use this brush to blend it out? This is the Merit, kind of looks like those little kabuki brushes. I'm just gonna use this to blend it out. Let's see. Oh, wow, guys, look at how cute. Wow, this is such a nice blush color. Put a little bit more here. I'm obsessed with this product. Let me just twist this lid back on. They also have a highlighter. I love how glowy this blush kind of turned out. This is the Merit Highlighting Balm in the shade Bounce. Let's see. Such a cute kind of pearly pink color. Whoa. Look at this color. Do you guys see that glaze right there? Let's blend it out. I've got mascara, let's do that. This is the mascara from Merit. This is basically the lengthening mascara and it's in the shade Perfect Black. So I'm gonna curl my lashes really quickly. No eyeliner look, just mascara. Let's see how well this Merit mascara works on my lashes because my lashes are very short. Let's try it out. Ooh, I like it. So the brush or the wand just looks like this. Let's just put it on. I like it. All right guys, so this mascara is so buildable and really does lengthen my lashes. Even though I have like non-existent lashes, they're like still really good and effective. So the last product is a lip gloss. This is the Tinted Lip Oil from Merit in the shade Au Naturel. Yeah, Au Naturel. Let me swatch it for you guys. I'm super excited because I love lip products. You guys know this is what it looks like. Wow. Okay, Okay, I kind of put it a little bit over the highlighter, but you guys get the gist of it. Just a really beautiful nudie pink color. Let me just pop that on. Like, I'm not gonna do any bottom lipstick because I want you guys to see how this color just looks on my lips, so let's do it. Love this color. Please buy it, okay? Oh my god, guys. Gorgeous. All right, so that is the last product. I'm like lost for words. I don't even know what my favorite product is because all of these products are amazing. Merit can be bought from Sephora, so go right now, please. These products are beautiful. Favorite definitely has to be the blush, mascara, lips, highlighter, the brush. Okay, like everything. All right, guys, so this is what the full face of makeup looks like. Let me like take down my hair. All right, guys, so this is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. And if you guys are interested in any of them, you can purchase it on their website or sephora.ca.com because I really love them and will definitely be integrating them into my own makeup routine. I just got sent these items. This video is not sponsored. I'm just kind of clarifying that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, which are also linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.